Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to change your Bitmoji gender and Snapchat. So please watch the full video and also give a like. So let's get started. First of all, when you open Snapchat, then simply tap on your profile icon on the upper left corner. Once you tap on this, then tap on setting icon on the upper right corner. And here scroll down a little bit and you can see Bitmoji option. So simply tap on this, and here if you tap on edit my Bitmoji, you will only be able to change your outfit and appearance from the options below, but you cannot change your gender. So for this, go back and tap on unlink my Bitmoji. Now tap on unlink and here tap on create Bitmoji, and here you can change your gender from male to female or female to male. So let's suppose I am tapping on female, and here you can choose your appearance and outfit. So hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.